vlog, I'll share to you my first YouTube salary and how much it is and how to work with and how to receive your first month or first salary on YouTube. Disclaimer lang, this video is not about meant to brag or anything. This just to inspire people, for those who want to start create a YouTube channel or being a content creator. Of course, not just you receive your salary on YouTube, but first you need to comply the requirements of YouTube before you monetize your channel. The first requirement to monetize your channel is at least you have a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you monetize your channel. Then after that, YouTube will send you a verification pin. Then you can apply your YouTube channel to Google AdSense to receive your salary and to give you advertisement on your YouTube channel video that you've been uploaded. In my case, I monetized my channel last January 2022. Then YouTube sending me a verification to verify my account. Then not just the end of the process to monetize your channel. After your channel been monetized, it's another process that you need to work. For me, I need to work out the $10 threshold before you receive Google Ad Pin. That Google Ad Pin is the another requirements in YouTube to receive or to analyze your salary or revenue in your YouTube channel. Then how to have ads on your YouTube channel or YouTube video that you've been uploaded. First is you need to be partner with Google AdSense, because Google AdSense will affiliated to all advertisement. Then all advertisement is they give you advertisement on your channel or video that you've been uploaded. Then paano nga ba magkaroon ng ads sa iyong mga YouTube video na ina-upload sa iyong YouTube channel? First is yung mga advertisement is nakikipag-affiliate sila sa Google AdSense. Then yung Google AdSense naman is maglalagay na ads sa iyong video. So saka pa lang mag-earn ng revenue yung mga video na nalagyan ng advertisement ni Google AdSense. Then not just the end of the process. There's so many process before you have the revenue on your YouTube video that you've been upload. Then how much your salary for your each views or ads on your YouTube video that you've been uploaded. For example, meron kang $300 na revenue on the ads that they add to your video. Yung $300 na yun is hindi yun lahat sa'yo. 45% ng revenue mo is mapupunta kay Google AdSense. Then yung 55% lang yung mapupunta sa'yo. So not 100% is your final revenue. 45% from Google AdSense and 55% na lang ang matitira sa'yo. So yun yung revenue mo for monthly income. So ayun nga, after mo ma-comply yung requirements ni YouTube na 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, mag-aantay ka na lang ngayon ng verification kung ready na to apply your channel sa Google AdSense para magkaroon ka ng ads sa iyong mga videos. Then after that, mag-aantay ka naman ng $10 threshold. Then when you reach the $10 threshold, Google AdSense will send you a Google AdSense pin. I think 2 to 4 weeks isa-send nila by mail that Google AdSense pin to verify your account. Kung ikaw nga yung may-ari ng channel na yon, then after that, mag-i-start na yung pagpasok ng revenue sa mga ads sa video mo sa iyong channel. Then after mo ma-verify yung account mo, if na-activated na siya or na-enter mo na yung Google Ad pin na pinadala ni Google AdSense sa'yo, before mo ma-withdraw yung salary mo sa YouTube, need mo again to reach the $100 threshold or equivalent kung nasa ang country. Like for me, my threshold is convert into dollar. So if hindi siya pwedeng $99, $50, hindi mo siya mawi-withdraw. So at least $100 to withdraw your revenue or your income sa YouTube. You can find that or analyze this revenue through Google AdSense. So ayun guys, my first salary nga on YouTube is $384, but hindi ko siya nakuha lahat because the 45% goes to Google AdSense and 55% for me. Then almost $280 lang that I received on my first salary YouTube last month. There you have it guys, and with that, hope you inspired. Then see you again next time on my next video. Once again, this is Thor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and always click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga new uploaded video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you again next time.